We're going to talk about what it is you need to accomplish for today. So in your Google Classroom, which you should have already been in, and you are watching this video so you can figure out what to do, after that, you need to answer the question of the day. So it's super simple, pretty easy, Google form. Make sure when you get it done, you hit submit. Then you're going to do 2 typing lessons. So you're going to do the V, H, and M keys. And then when you get that all the way done, so don't just stop after one lesson. It will tell you when you're done. You're going to move to the OBA keys, all right? So those are the 2 keys that you're going to work on. When you get those done, you're going to go to the real or fake. And in this one, there are actually 2 different things that you're going to be doing. And we're going to be looking at some different kinds of ways fake news shows up in our world. One of the ways that we're going to look at is called fake or photo. So it looks like this. All right, so fake or photo, and you'll go down and hit the start key. Now, I will tell you that it's been a little quirky yesterday. So if for some reason when you hit the start key and it comes with a 403 forbidden error, just go ahead and then skip this. That's okay. But what you're going to do is you're going to look at the different photos and you're going to decide is it fake and fake, they mean like CG. So like this one, if I start the game, CG means computer graphic, if this is a computer graphic or if it's a real photo. So you'll choose one or the other, and then you'll just move to the next photo. When you get all done, down at the bottom, it will say submit your answers. And then if it's really good, it will pop up and tell you what you got on it, 85%, 70%, whatever. And then up here, you should be able to tell, you can go see the answers of the ones that you got wrong. So that's fake or photo. If for some reason along the way it comes up with a 403 error, just go ahead and tell Mrs. Pasker that you're moving on to the next one. So the next one after that is called Factitious. So it will look like this. And we're going to talk about some of the things in Factitious that you need to know. All right. So this is a game. The game is to get the highest score that you can get. So what you're going to do is there are easy one. So you'll work through all those stories and it's going to be news stories and you got to decide if it's fake or if it's real. So you're going to click on easy one. You need to make sure you read the article, then you choose if it's real or it's fake. All right. Make sure that you read the entire or read enough of the article to figure it out. Don't just look at the title. And if you read to the end of the article, you'll get a bonus for reading to it. And if you click on show source, so like if you're going to check the source to see if it's a good source, you will also get helpful hints and you will get some points for that. So make sure that when you're looking at this, if you're looking at your news, you're looking at the article, is it like using a lot of adjectives? Real news articles don't do that. Like, this is the greatest, or this was fantastic, or something like that. This is the worst thing we've ever seen. Those are adjectives that you don't want to see. Does it have any quotes from an identifiable source? So if it's quoting somebody famous, make sure that they're quoting that famous person. They actually tell you who it is. All right. Or if they're saying it's coming from the government, are they quoting the government? Does it have the person's words? Does it seem to match their thing? Sometimes it sounds like they're putting words in their mouth. And of course, make sure you know the organization where it's come from. So for your correct answers, you get 40 points each. It's not a game about how fast you can do it. It's a game about how many points can you get. If you click on show the source, you get 2 more points. If you're reading the entire article, you get a bonus point, okay? So your scorecard will look something like this, and then it will tell you your final score is 498. So that's a pretty good score. High score wins for this class. All right, when you get done with your Factitious, you'll notice there's a Factitious scorecard here. And it will look like this, all right? Your name, pick your class. What was your score for easy 1? What was your score for easy 2? What was your score for medium 1? What was your score for medium 2? So you might want to have a little extra scratch piece of paper to write those down. So Factitious, the easy one is this. You'll click on that. When you get all done with that one, you're going to move to easy 2. And when you get done with the easy 2 one, you're going to go to medium 1. And when you get done with medium 1, you're going to go to medium 2. Okay? You can see the high score here. 5,000, that's pretty good, man. That person is 400 is the one I've seen the most, all right? But you want to get up there in a high score, okay? So that is what you're going to do today. When you get all of that done, and done well, not rushing through it, not just going, I think it's fake, I think it's fake, I think it's fake, and clicking through all of them and just trying to get through it quickly. That's not what's going to happen, all right? So put some work into it, put some thought into it. When you get all that done, then you may do something quietly, all right? But only if you're done. So you need to make sure that you tell Mrs. Asker that you are completely done. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know.